In this video, we'll explore how to do Pop-Up Genie. First, we'll go to Visualization, then we go to Pages and press New. Then, we select the 1080p resolution. Select Faceplate, then click OK. Right-click, then click Page Properties. Click Appearance, then change width to 200 and height to 300, then click OK. Create a button that says Open. Then go to Input and type in the command that is shown above the screen. Press Apply, then click OK. Copy and paste the button. Then double-click the button and change the commands shown above the screen. Go to Appearance and rename it to Close. Press Apply, then click OK. Create a symbol, then set the off symbol to the appropriate symbol, and then the on symbol should be the appropriate symbol also. Then type in the command in the on symbol when section. Press Apply, then click OK. Then copy and paste the symbol and move it down. Then double-click the symbol and change the command above the screen. Then press Apply and click OK. Create another button. Then type Exit. Then go to Input and type in the command above the screen. Select the button and click Arrange and Align. And select Center and OK. Do the same to the buttons as well. That's how you do the Pop-Up Genie.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.